If there's one question I always get asked at Dumplings or the cooking school, it's how to make the perfect dumpling. So today I thought I'd teach you guys one of my favorite tips. Let's get started. So I'm using some store-bought dumpling wrappers and working with one wrapper at a time. I have a filling here. I'm using chicken mince. I put some oyster sauce, spring onion, ginger in there. There's no rules with dumplings. You can fill it with anything you'd like. So I'm going in with about maybe half a teaspoon of filling to start with. We always want to fill the wrapper with a little less than more to avoid overfilling. Just a bit of water to line half the perimeter. I'm folding over the dry edge to meet the wet edge, just like so, a half semicircle. And I'm pressing that really firmly. This is really important here to seal in that filling, making sure there's no air pockets. I'm flipping that over, almost to make a smiley face. I'm adding a bit of water in the corner, and with those two corners, I'm going to stretch them inwards to meet each other, overlap, and press that and pinch that to seal. And that's your dumpling. And the best thing is you can cook them in any way. Boiled, steamed, pan-fried, deep-fried. It's really up to you.